MiniTech using the keypad and special function shortcuts. Older keypads may be fitted with a membrane which has a tick button instead of the OK button. Both keys function in the same way. Before doing anything on a MiniTech, you must press a key, any key, to wake the display. The arrow key is used to scroll through menu items, and the OK button or tick button on older keypads is used to accept a menu item or go further into a lower level menu. To exit a menu, use the arrow key until exit shows on the screen and then press OK to accept, or to completely exit, press and hold arrow and it takes you back through to the code entry screen. If a mistake is made during entry of the code or any other values, press the arrow key to start entering again. When a key is pressed, the display stays awake for 30 seconds. Each key is assigned a special function and it's a shortcut to get into that special function. See the list here. To use a special function, press any key to wake the display and then press and hold the relevant key. So if I want to change code, I need to press and hold 0 and it takes me through to the change code procedure.